Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to develop your own 3D map using Photoshop and Creative Falcon. First of all, head to mapit.cc, not the one that comes up with AI, but the one further down the page. In the search bar, type in the name of the place that you thought of from your mind map, and then select it from the drop-down menu. The square will be shown over the map, and remember you've only got 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters, so play about with it and adjust it so it captures the part that you're looking for. Once you've done that, we need to play about and adjust the colours so we can put it into the different software. Make the water white, so 255, 255, 255. The land a random colour, but it should all be the same colour. And make the roads black, that's 0, 0, 0. Then we turn off all the different layers, so remove the place name, the boundaries, the buildings, and this is really important, make sure you get rid of the gradient. Then we export it and give it a suitable file name so we can remember where to find it. Next we open up Photoshop and open up our product. You can see that the roads are black, the background's a random colour, and the sea is white. So the first thing I'm going to do is select the colour range and select the background, and I'm going to delete it. I don't need the land because I do not want the land to be printed. The next thing I'm going to do is select the roads. So again, I use colour range, I select the roads, and this time I want to expand them so they print out bigger. So go to modify, expand, and around 15 pixels is right, but 10 might be better for you. I'm then going to use the fill tool and fill them all in black. Unfortunately, this process takes a bit of time, but it's worth it for the end product. Once that has been completed, we're going to export it. You can't use quick export as PNG for some reason, so you have to say export as PNG. Again, give this a suitable file name that you are going to remember. Now we head over to create a Falcon Design space. That's for the Creality. We're going to press import, and we're going to import the product that we've just created in Photoshop. We're going to scale it to fit, and remember it needs to be 10 by 10, so scale it down to 10 squares by 10 squares. We are now going to trace the image. Image tracing allows us to find the lines and to find out where we're going to cut. So click on manual tracing, move the threshold to about 5, play about with the noise reduction and press OK. Delete the original. You now have the trace and you don't need it anymore. So move the original across to the left hand side, and then we're going to draw a square around it. And please make sure this square is the same colour as the lines on your image. Also make sure your square completely covers the image and there's not any little parts of the image hanging out. We are now going to copy and paste this square 2 times. This one's for the back, and this one's for the frame. Inside, we're going to create a smaller square. This will also be cut to give us our frame. Change it from line engraving on the green layer to line cutting, and it will automatically set us for us. And then we press processing. At this point, you should show your teacher your work.